In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome background image. This is a great way to personalize your browsing experience and make your homepage feel more like your own. Whether you want to give it a splash of color or set a calming photograph as your backdrop, customizing the look of your Chrome browser is both fun and straightforward. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open a new tab in Google Chrome. Once you've done that, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a pencil icon or simply the words Customize Chrome. Clicking on this button will open up a world of customization options for you. Now, you'll find yourself in a place where you can select Change Theme. By clicking on this option, you'll access a selection of different themes designed by both Google and the developer community. You'll see an array of theme colors and images that you can choose from to set as your Chrome browser's background. Take your time to scroll through the options and explore what's available. If nothing catches your eye, you also have the option to Upload from Device. This handy feature allows you to upload a personal image from your computer, perhaps a favorite family photo or an inspiring landscape you've shot. After you've made your decision on which theme color or image to use, the process is essentially done. Simply close the Customization tab. There's no Save button to worry about. Everything you've selected will automatically be applied to your Chrome homepage. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. The new theme will be applied instantly to your Chrome browser. With your updated background, every time you open a new tab, you'll be greeted with a setting that's uniquely yours. A personalized browsing experience not only looks great, but can also make routine tasks a bit more enjoyable. Enjoy exploring your newly customized browser, and remember, you can always repeat these steps whenever you want to switch things up or try out new looks. It's a simple way to refresh your digital space anytime you feel like it. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.